tree topper.
And no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me struggling to do a tree topper on my own. Now, I've never done a tree topper before. I've always just bought one from the store, but I decided this year is different. Let me just try something new. So I got a lot of these sprays from craftsoutlet.com, and I've never used these sprays before, so I don't know how they're going to stick to the tree, but you guys can see and watch what I do. Stay tuned. And also, this is my first time using this top hat as a tree topper. So yeah, that's going to be an interesting struggle as well. Stay tuned. So as you can see, this has been a great struggle, and I just don't know if I either don't know what I'm doing, or if it's the fact that this is just not gonna work with what I'm trying to get done here. I really had a vision, and I always have a vision, but it never executes right. I don't know what the deal is with that. I'm just a DIYer who sucks at DIYing, I guess. I have no idea, but as you can see, I'm going to keep going and trying to put this tree top together because I'm not a quitter. I don't quit. So yeah. you guys have any idea of how I could have gotten this done on an easier plane or easier platform, just leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think or how I could have done this to make it easier for myself, because your girl was really struggling here. It was really crazy. So yeah, if you guys have any tips or tricks, let me know in the comments down below. Honestly, I think my tree is a little bit too sparse. Like, it's not enough tree on the branches. There's not enough, you know, leaves or something to just make it full and just hold the sprays. I'm not sure if that is the reason, but I don't know. Again, if you guys have any tips or tricks, leave the comments down below.
My phone ran out of memory while I was doing this, so that's why you don't see this part where I put this together. All I did was use one of these top hats that I got from Crafts Outlet, and as a tree topper. These top hats have holes in them, as you can see, like you can see right through it. They have holes in them, so you can stick the spray sticks right through the holes, and it's easy peasy. It's not hard at all to put the sprays up. I know that the sprays are like all wild and big and whatever, but if you look at the last video, my fail video, when I tried to first do this, it was like super hard trying to get it around. This big hat that I got from Walmart, I don't know why they changed their hat from last year, but this is the only hat that they're selling this year, and this hat just doesn't work with the big sprays. It might work with the little ones, because I saw a lady on YouTube that did it with the little ones, but I didn't want the little ones. I wanted the 20-inch ones, so it could look like, you know, it could look like big and floral, whatever. So that's why when I saw this hat on Crafts Outlet, I decided to go with the smaller hat. Yes, it's smaller, but it's basically, like, it's kind of better, because when you think about the big sprays being there, you really don't need a big hat, because it's kind of, you know, it kind of just defeats the purpose. So and I like the fact that the hat is as sparkly as the sprays, so it kind of just will all like clash together, mesh together, whatever you want to say. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna finish putting in some more sprays, and then that will be it. But I'm sorry I don't have the rest of the video because my phone cut out, and yeah.
Well, the topper is not exactly how I wanted it, but it did look better than what it did before when I first started. So I'm kind of happy with it. I'm just gonna use this and, be okay with it because I'm tired and this was a long process. But yeah, at least it looks like an explosion, and that was the look that I was going for, and it's staying put. It's not moving at all. So if you guys found this video helpful or funny or whatever, please leave me a comment down below, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, see you in the next video.